Welcome to BuildReport Pro. Capture, track, and report. The all-in-one app for snag lists, punch lists, defect tracking, site audits, inspection reports, issue management, and digital site reporting. Trusted by auditors, inspectors, project managers, and clients across every industry and every site. Start by tapping the BuildReport Pro app icon to open the app. On the home screen, tap the plus button at the bottom right to create a new project. Enter your project details, including project title, job or reference number, start and end dates, site or location address, project photos, drawings or supporting documents. Next, add the client details, such as client name and company name. Then enter the auditor or inspector details, including name, company, logo, and signature. Once everything is entered, tap Save. Your project is now securely stored in the app. You can easily copy, edit, delete, generate reports, and share your project with team members. Tap on the project you created earlier. You'll see two options: locations and issues. Tap Add at the bottom of the screen. Enter a location name, such as Floor 1, Room A, or Zone B. Then tap Save. Tap the location to open it. Use the Locations tab to add sub-locations, or the Issues tab to add snags or defects. Tap the plus button to add a new issue. Enter details such as photos or attachments, title, assigned to, status, date raised, fixed by or target date, priority tags, description, comments. Tap Save when finished. Your snag or defect is now added to the project. You can copy, edit, delete, share, and update issue at any time. Use filters to sort snags and defects by status, priority, assignee, or location. From the bottom tab bar, tap Reports. A new page will open. Tap Create to begin. You will now be on the Create Report page. First, select the project for which you want to generate the report. Next, choose the revision, project date, and report type, either PDF or Excel. In this example, we will select PDF. Now choose the PDF layout, image quality, and theme. You can preview the theme before continuing. The filter fields are optional. If you want to apply specific filters, simply fill in the fields you need, such as status, tag, priority, assigned to, location, date from, and date to. Once everything is set, tap Generate at the top of the screen. Your PDF report is now ready. You can create an Excel report in the same way. With BuildReport Pro, you can generate both PDF and Excel reports and easily share them with anyone. When you tap on the Settings tab in the tab bar, you'll see several options: Language, Reports, Customization, and Common Setup. Let's start with Language settings. Here, you can choose your preferred language. The app supports multiple languages. Next, in the Reports section, you will find various toggle options. You can choose to save captured photos directly to your device's gallery for future use. You can also enable automatic dates, such as date raised and fixed by, so they default to the current date when adding snags or issues. You can update the number of days used to calculate the default fixed by date as well. You will also see the option to set the PDF and Excel report ribbon color, which controls the color theme used in your generated reports. Then we have the Report Details section. This contains several toggle buttons that let you decide what information you want to include in your PDF and Excel reports. Many users prefer not to show every detail, so you can easily turn specific fields on or off based on your requirements. Moving on to customization. Here, you can change the wording used throughout the app and reports. For example, some teams use the term snags, others say defects, and some use issues. You can customize all of these labels so they match the terminology used in your company or region. You can also change the date format according to your preference. Finally, we have Common Setup.
This section lets you create predefined values for fields such as title, assigned to, issue description, status, tags, and priority. These predefined options will appear automatically when you are adding a new snag or defect, helping you save time by reducing the amount of typing required. With all these settings, you can fully tailor the app to match your workflow, terminology, and regional standards. Open the app, go to the project list, tap the three-dot menu of any project row and choose Share. When you tap Share, the app generates a .zip file. You can send this file through WhatsApp, email, or any other sharing platform. When a teammate receives the file on their device, they simply tap on it. A Share Intent pop-up will appear. Then select the BuildReport Pro application from the Share Intent pop-up. Once they tap on the BuildReport Pro app icon, the project data will be imported automatically. If the project doesn't exist, it will be created. If it already exists, the new records will be merged with the existing project. This makes team collaboration simple. For example, in a mall audit with 4 floors, each auditor can work independently on their assigned floor. After completing their audit, they share their project data with one team member who then generates the combined final report. This is how BuildReport Pro enables seamless multi-device teamwork without using any cloud services. BuildReport Pro. Capture, track, and report. One app for snag lists, punch lists, defect tracking, audits, and reports across every industry. Download BuildReport Pro today from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store.